Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. And in today's video, wow, do we have a really nice Walmart exclusive AT&T deal going on for you guys. So I've made a couple of videos on the Walmart and AT&T and how they had really good plans, but right now guys, they even made it even better. As you can see, I actually went to my local Walmart and was able to find this deal. Now there's a couple of requirements and things you have to do, a couple steps, and I'll tell you more about it. So let's go into it. This is a Walmart's website right here, guys. So here is the new plan. So it says AT&T Prepaid, of course, with Mario Lopez. It says unlimited max with 5G, unlimited high-speed data, 10 gigabytes of mobile hotspot, 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, fraud call blocking, unlimited talk and text, $45 a month plus taxes. So pretty cool, guys. Of course, it says here after, we'll get more into that details. You know what I mean? So let's get into it here. Should be this slide right here. Yeah, let's find the store. That's not it. So let's go ahead and check it out. But they do have really good plans and stuff. Like I said, here's the details. So it's called the Unlimited Max, guys. This is going to be the details on this plan. So it says offer details, and remember, this is an exclusive Walmart deal. You cannot get this at like AT&T or their website or anything. You have to get this through Walmart. So it says Mexico and Canada. It says included unlimited talk and text within and between the US, Mexico, and Canada, and use of your plan data in Mexico or Canada. So you can actually use your phone in Mexico or Canada, and you can also get calling to Mexico and texting as well, and to Canada. It's pretty cool. 10 gigs of hotspot, guys. US usage only. After 10 gigs, data speeds are reduced to max of 128 kilobits per second, which I know is basically nothing. Let's just say after 10 gigs, you're not getting anything, guys. Video streaming. So it says eligible content recognized as video will stream in SD, so about 480p, max 1.5 megabits per second. Availability to stream, video resolution, and speed are not guaranteed and are affected by other factors. For plans that include Stream Saver, you can turn that off anytime at AT&T.com/myprepaid or call 611 to access HD video streaming. So this $45 unlimited plan, you can get HD streaming, but you have to disable this at AT&T.com/myprepaid or call 611, which is customer service, for them to turn it off. I don't know why by default comes on. I mean, I'm trying to save you as much data as possible, but it is what it is. You also get, it says, personal cloud, so you can actually use 100 gigs of cloud storage if you do get the plan, which is pretty good. 5G, of course, requires a 5G compatible device. 5G is not available everywhere, guys. Of course, limited text. It says for the list of over 230 countries available for texting from the US. Wow. So pretty cool, guys. Let's go ahead and check more of this out. So how, there's Mario Lopez again. Here's some promotions on some phones. So like I said, let's just keep scrolling down a little bit. They do have some really nice phones. But here's how you'll get the in-store promotions, guys. You have to find a Walmart store with the phone you want in stock to get the phone offers. Go to the electronics counter and ask a Walmart associate for help and activate a new line of service. That's how you're going to get it. That's how they're going to know. You would say, like, can't you just buy it through Walmart.com? It says you have to go into a store, guys. Here's the AT&T plans that we're talking about. This is what we came forward with the video. It says AT&T prepaid plans are lowest plan prices ever. You have to, the big caveat or the big requirement that I was telling you guys is you have to activate in store. So you cannot just buy a SIM card and do it at home or something like that. You have to activate in store to get this. Plan includes unlimited talk and text, unlimited text from the US to over 230 countries, fraud call blocking, and spam alerts. So here's the 3 plans that they're kind of really advertising, and we'll get to that. So let's go from the $25, $35, and $45 plan. Now, with all these plans, as you can see right here in the bottom, it says with the store activation. So you have to do in-store activation, which is, like I said, that's the one basically requirement. All right, so it says $25 a month. You get 5 gigs of data. You get 5 gigabytes of high-speed data. After that, you're basically slowed down to smithereens. Mobile hotspot, you actually get mobile hotspot, but remember it does use your allotment of 5 gigs. Rollover data, so if you buy extra data, you do get rollover data. $35 a month, you get 15 gigs, which is plenty for a lot of people. I should be fine with that, but I'm more of an unlimited guy. I don't want to be counting gigs or anything like that. So 15 gigs of high-speed data, mobile hotspot is included, rollover data, and Mexico and Canada. So it looks like you have to have the $35 plan to get Mexico and Canada calling. So not too bad for 15 gigs. I mean, a lot of people will be fine. Now, the Unlimited Max, which is their new plan basically, is $45 a month with in-store activation. Now, this does get 5G. So if you are in a 5G area, which AT&T is really lacking on 5G, guys, I'm not going to lie to you guys. There's barely any 5G anywhere, at least here in my local area. If you live in a 5G area that AT&T is booming, then that's a good thing. So for $45 a month, you get unlimited high-speed data. Remember, after 22 gigs of high-speed data, your speed will still be unlimited. It's just in times of congestion, you might get slowed down. So you get 22 gigs of priority data. 10 gigabytes of hotspot, which is really good. HD streaming available. So that's one thing that says it's available, because remember that data saving feature, data saver. That's what they're talking about, guys. So it's going to be on SD or standard definition. You have to turn it off on AT&T/prepaid or call 611. You get 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, which is really good, and of course calling to Mexico and Canada. But like I said, that is their best value. Actually, is really, really good. So like I said, this is the stuff that we read already. So really, really nice, I think. That's really nice. I also have hotspots, tablets, or hotspots with 5G access. So 100 gigs is $55 a month. $35 a month, it gets you 15 gigs. 25 gets you 20 gigs. So wow. But of course, that's a 12-month plan. So AT&T 5G, of course, they got more C-band. So I hope they will, release more 5G in different areas. Because like I said, AT&T, out of all of them, I think is the worst 5G carrier if you want 5G. So pretty cool. That's a really good information on there, guys. So let me know in the comments below, have you tried AT&T prepaid? Is it good? Are you thinking about switching? Like I said, they do have some savings on some phones. Like I said before, this used to be 50, now it's 45. This plan was 40, now it's 35. So basically they all dropped down $5, guys. So like I said, you can find that in a local store, which is pretty cool. I believe you have to do, or they want you to do prepaid as well. Here's a good thing right here that you can see. AT&T maintain temporary slow data speeds if the network is busy. AT&T 5G requires a compatible device and it's not available everywhere. So like I said, with this plan, you do get, times of congestion, their speeds will slow down quite a bit. So I thought this one did have the, wow. So this sounds like a good plan, but you remember what I told you about the whole priority data? Actually, this plan doesn't have it. There's another one that was better. That was $50. It was AT&T's better plan. It was like $75 or $80, and with autopay you could get it for like $50. That one had 22 gigs of priority. This one doesn't even have priority. So forget what I said. Like I said, I was mixing that up. With this plan, it's unlimited high speed data. It's just you do not get priority data. So at times of congestion, it will slow you down. So if you're in a ball game or something and there's a lot of people, just know that if it gets real busy, it can slow you down. I swear I thought I saw something. But see here on this one, it says after 22 gigabytes, AT&T may temporarily slow down speeds if network is congested or busy. So that actually might be right what I told you guys. It's just so confusing because this one just says it may. So I'm guessing I'll take that back. From what this is saying and from what I thought, I was right. It's just maybe this writing caught me off guard. You do get 22 gigs of high-speed data. After that, your speeds may slow down in times of congestion. So from this, what it's saying, and like I said, 22 gigs. After that, it's still unlimited data. It's just it might slow you down. So let me know in the comments below, guys. Lots of information. I've been getting blown up. My phone's been blowing up. People saying, "Hey, check this out. Review it." What do you think? I think it's a good deal if AT&T is a good, good carrier in your area with good coverage. I think honestly it's between AT&T and Verizon. If I don't get Verizon, AT&T would be definitely the one I'd be looking for. Which is real nice, and it's a real good deal because this plan was a lot more expensive than this before. So not too bad, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and is this unlimited max plan worth it? Are you gonna get it? Let me know. Thank you, guys, and stay tuned for more.